Yes, in this next question series, next question is next important question. Two separate bulb contains gas A and gas B. Density of gas A is twice as that of B. Molecular mass of A is 1/2 as that of B. If temperature is constant, the ratio of pressure A and B is. It is one of the important parts which is to be derived, the formula which is to be derived with respect to the gas law. You know that the general gas equation is PV. PV is equal to nRT. N is constant, number of moles of gases, which is to be obtained by dividing given mass of a gas with respect to molar mass of that gas. R is gas constant, that is 8.314 joule per Kelvin per molar or 0.082 liter atmosphere. Then the temperature, the standard temperature, which is here in this process. Temperature, what is temperature? Temperature is not given. Only density of gas A is twice as that of density of B. PV is equal to nRT. This N means PV is equal to, N means given mass upon molar mass. Given mass upon molar mass R into T. It is somewhat modified formula. N means number of moles of gas. W given mass of a gas upon molar mass. Then it is converted into V. यहाँ पर V, यहाँ पर M ले लीजिए. PM is equal to given mass upon volume of gas RT. Mass per unit volume is known as density DRT. PM is equal to DRT. It is somewhat modified formula. PM is equal to DRT and density is equal to PM upon RT. It is one of the modified formula for density. Density part. Our calculation is related with the density part, so we must develop the formula for density. Here, density of A gas dA and density of B gas. Density of A gas and density of B gas. Density of A gas, the formula becomes pressure of A gas, then this molar mass of A gas divided upon RT. It is for dA. Density of B gas is equal to pressure of B gas, molar mass of B gas upon RT. It is for A and for B. Ratio, density of the gas A is twice as that of density of B. Density of A and density of B. A is twice. So when we divide this equation number 1, equation number 2 like this, dA upon dB. dA upon dB is equal to RT get cancelled. Pressure of A, molar mass of A upon pressure of B is molar mass of B. This is the modified formula. You know that the molar mass, molecular mass is also given. Density ratio is given. Density ratio आपको दिया है, molar mass का ratio भी आपके पास है. Density of the gas A is twice as that of B. It is a twice as that of B. In this ratio, answer is 2. It is twice, 2 into dB. dB से ये twice है, 2 into dB divided by dB. 2 into dB divided by dB is equal to 2. Then pressure of A and pressure of B का ratio तो निकालना है आपको. You must draw this ratio PA upon BB. But molar mass. In this molar mass of A and molar mass of B, molecular mass of A is 1 by 2 as that of B. It is 1 by 2 and it is 1. 1 by 2 as that of B. 1 by 2 as that of B. Finally we write 2 is equal to PA upon PB into 1 by 2. 2 is transferred here, 4 as to 1 and PA as to PB. The ratio is 4 as to 1. It is the answer. Again, I am giving an idea about this problem. Two separate bulbs. In these two separate bulbs, gas A and gas B, two gases are there. Density of gas A is twice that of B. It means density of A and density of B, the ratio is 2. It is a twice at that of dB. dB get cancelled. Mass of A is 1 by 2 and that of B means it is 1 by 2 as that of B is 1. It is 1 by 2. It is 2. It is 1. If it is 8, if it is taken 8, it is 4. Means the ratio in between this is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 as that of B, and if temperature is constant, this T and T is constant, R and R is constant, RT get cancelled, answer is 4 as to 1. This is the question in this NEET series. Important time is going on. The important question is in front of you. We are going towards next question. Okay. In this video, the question number 2 is given to in front of you. Equal weights of ethane and hydrogen are mixed in an empty container. At 25 degrees centigrade, the fraction of total pressure exerted by hydrogen is. Fraction of total pressure exerted by means, you know that when two gases particle mixed with each other, in the mixed state, the pressure or no pressure which is known as partial pressure. Partial pressure of hydrogen. This partial pressure of hydrogen with respect to total pressure, the partial pressure of hydrogen divided by total pressure means mixture of hydrogen and ethane. What is total pressure? It is known as mole fraction of hydrogen. It is the law. Mole fraction of hydrogen. Mole fraction of hydrogen. The partial pressure of H2 divided by Pt is equal to mole fraction of hydrogen. You know that mole fraction of hydrogen means number of moles of hydrogen divided by total number of moles of hydrogen and ethane when two gases particle mixed with each other, N1 upon N1 plus N2. If you are determining the mole fraction for N1 moles of gas, N2 upon N1 plus N2. If you are determining moles of N2 gas, N2 upon N1 plus N2. Here mole fraction of hydrogen. Mole fraction of hydrogen is determined by this W upon molar mass. Molar mass is 2. Molar mass of hydrogen is 2. Means it is moles of hydrogen. It is moles of hydrogen. And it is W upon 2 plus equal weights of ethane and hydrogen. It is W mass of hydrogen. It is W mass of hydrogen. It is molar mass of hydrogen. Molar mass of hydrogen. Moles of hydrogen. Moles of hydrogen divided by moles of hydrogen plus moles of ethane. W upon ethane. You know that ethane C2H6. Molar mass of ethane is, it is C2 means 24. 24 plus 6 means 30. It is 30. Pressure of H2 upon total pressure is equal to mole fraction of that. Mole fraction of this W upon 2 divided by this, it becomes, what is this? 30. 15W plus only W is equal to W upon 2 into 30 upon 16W. W get cancelled. 30 upon 32 is our answer. 30 upon 32 means what? 15 upon 16. 15 upon 16 is our answer. और एक बार equal weights, W is weight of hydrogen and W is weight of ethane. Our formula is partial pressure of hydrogen upon total pressure. It means are mixed in an empty container. The fraction of total pressure exerted by hydrogen is. Fraction of total pressure of hydrogen is, this is the fraction. This fraction means mole fraction of that hydrogen. This fraction equivalent to mole fraction of hydrogen. Mole fraction means number of moles of hydrogen divided by total number of moles of hydrogen and ethane. W is given mass, mole determined by given mass divided by molar mass. Molar mass, the molar mass, it is N1 upon N1 plus N2. N2 means weight of that ethane divided by molar mass of ethane. This weight, given weight is equal weight. So W get cancelled. When we calculate this, you calculate your method. By your method, you must calculate by your method. W by 2 is equal to 16, 30W divided by 32W. W cancel. 30 upon 32 means 15 upon 16. 15 upon 16 is the fraction of total pressure exerted by hydrogen. Okay, observe this. Going towards next question. Hello student, in this NEET series, our third question in this video. Boyle's law and Charles' law are applicable respectively at the process. It means the chapter 11 standard and chapter thermodynamics and the gas states of matter gases part. In this states of matter gases part and thermodynamics and the two chapter giving a type of equation. Boyle's law. The statement of Boyle's law gives that the temperature remaining constant, the volume of given mass of a gas varies inversely as pressure. Means the temperature is constant. You know that when temperature is constant, according to thermodynamics, the process is isothermal. Isothermal is our first answer. Isothermal answer containing B or D. B and D. Isothermal. Either it is B or D. But about Charles' law. In this Charles' law, the pressure is constant. When the pressure remaining constant, the volume of given mass of a gas varies directly as temperature. Volume is directly proportional to temperature is the Charles' law. Means the pressure is constant. When at ease the pressure is constant, the phenomenon is isobaric. It is isobaric process. So our answer is this. It is the third question of this video. Enjoy all the questions. So what? These are important questions. I am giving only the idea, the way of thinking only. You must try so many questions in the practice way. Okay, thank you.